Hi guys, we're back again. This time we're going to do a filter change from the stock filter to a nice K&N filter. This time it's on a mini CooperS. It's a 67 plate or 2017 plate. It's very easy to do. There's 3 screws. There's one screw there. There is one screw there. And there is one screw just behind there, as you can see. This comes off very easily, and it's just a little torque bit you need to do it. This whole unit basically just lifts up and you pull the old filter out and the new one goes in. The part number using for the K&N today is 33-3025, and this, as I said, is for a 2017 or 67 plate Mini CooperS. This is the 5-door version. So yeah, so it doesn't take long, so let's get started. I'll have someone else doing the videoing while I do the install, and I'll do a little bit of talking while I'm doing it. And it's very easy to do, so anybody can do it at home. Just follow instructions and you'll be golden. On that note, let's get started. Right guys, first of all we're going to undo these 3 torque bolts. I've already done the 2 at the back. There's that one there, and there's one at the back, just to make life a little bit simpler. So we'll just do this one, and we'll get this undone. It doesn't take much to undo them, they don't pop out. This little bracket here basically just pops up, 2 fingers under it, and it just lifts up. It's easy, and then it just literally shifts over to the side. So just push that out of the way, and then this whole unit here just basically lifts up and gives you access to the air filter. So there's the air filter there, and it's just a case of grabbing it, pulling the air filter out, and that's the old one there. As you can see, it's been in 2 years. It's a little bit dirty. It's not the worst I've seen, but it could be better. As you can see guys, the box had a little bit of kind of crap in it, so what I did was I just gave it a quick hoover out to just get all the kind of dust and stuff and rubbish out of the box. So now what we'll do is we'll go into the K&N Air Filter. We'll get this installed. Shouldn't take long. So again, the part number is 33-3025 for a 2017 or a 67 plate Mini CooperS. So chuck that there, over there. We'll get it down from the bag. Now the filter is all oiled and it only goes in one way. As you can see, it's pointed towards the top, so it only goes in one way in the box. So it basically just sits in and it just pops in like so. All done, and then it's just a case of popping the lid back on and doing the screws one at a time. Not super tight, it's just pretty much finger tight. That way you don't strip the threads. There we go. One to go. Job done, and then on for the last clip. and it just slides on. So that's it, guys. 2017 air filter change to K&N from stock. Done in under 10 minutes. So if you like and subscribe to the channel, there's more content on the way. Next up obviously will be another PC build, but please like and share, and if you like the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys, see you later, bye.